In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer money from PayPal to PayPal. So let's get started. So it's simple. First, you want to go into paypal.com, or you can do this in the app and then log in into your account. Now, from here, you want to go into the send and request section. Now, once you're here, is that you just simply need to go here into send payment to, and then just simply type in their name, username, email, or mobile. So the name and username is recommended if you have already have a transaction with that user. If not, then I suggest that you go for email instead. So you just want to type out their email in here or their name. Like for example, this is the email of the person that I would want to send a payment into. So I'm just going to click here on this, and then it will now provide the amount that I would want to send. So I can just indicate it right here. Let's say that I would want to send 500. And then you can also change the currency in here. Like for example, I would want to change this into USD. So I'm going to click here on US dollar. And now this is how much you will be sending right here in PHP. You could also send, if you're gonna send it from a PHP currency, or you could also go for US dollar currency, and then this is how how much they will receive. But if you're gonna go for other currency, then you would have this option in here. You would be able to see the conversion. So this is how much you'll be sending, and this is how much the recipient will get. And now you could go for what's this for. This is only optional. You can provide that if you'd like. But once you're done here, you want to click here on next. And now from here, you're going to choose a payment type. You can go for goods and services. So this is suggested if you are sending this for a service that was rendered to you, or maybe for professional purposes. But if it is for friends or family, then you should go for this one, as this doesn't apply buyer protection. As for this one, you won't get a refund for this one if anything goes wrong. So yeah, but I suggest that you go for this one right here if you want the recipient to get your money much faster. So that's it. Now, once you have provided all the details in the previous steps, now you would need to select how you'd want to pay. You can use your PayPal balance or your cards or payment methods that you have connected to your PayPal account. So yeah, once you have provided the payment information and payment method, and then you have paid for it, then the transfer will now be processed here in PayPal, and it should be received instantly because it is only PayPal to PayPal. So that's it for this video on how you can transfer money from PayPal to PayPal. Thank you for watching.